Hello guys, this is your 12th Revit class. So in this class, we will learn how to import AutoCAD file and then how to work on it in Revit file and how to convert that CAD file into 3D model. So we'll see how to exactly using CAD file, we can convert that into Revit file and how we can just make that 2D plan to 3D. So that thing we'll learn in as a complete thing in this class. So for that, let's begin with the class. So first, let's create a new project. Just open a new project. Let's select this architecture template and just click OK. So okay guys. So before importing the CAD file into Revit, first we have to make sure that very important thing is we have to make sure units are same for CAD file and the Revit file. So in CAD file, if for example I'm using millimeters, the units of CAD file is millimeters, then before importing the CAD file, I have to go to units in Revit file, project units. I have to make sure the units in millimeters. If it is in millimeters, then no problem. Both CAD file and Revit files units should be same. That is the first most important thing. So after that, the next important thing is before importing any CAD file, you have to make sure that the CAD file is properly done. So there is no errors or there is no extra lines, extra layers. So we have to make sure that we remove that extra layers, extra lines and all. We just import a proper CAD file into the Revit file so that during making a 3D model from CAD file, it will be easy for us. Or else it will create some errors in here also. So before importing, it should be properly proper CAD file. So we should just delete the unnecessary layers and unnecessary lines. We should just import what is necessary thing into the Revit file. So these are the important things, guys, before importing a CAD file. So now we'll see how to import a CAD file into this Revit file. So for that, just we have to go to Insert. Here in Insert, we have option here called Import CAD and click on CAD plan. And here just select the ground floor and let it be meters. As you know, the units in meters and just make sure all the things are correct and click on Open. So now we have to just place this plan like this. So if your plan is much little larger plan and the camera points are coming in between this plan, then you can just select this camera point and just drag it and move it like this. You can just move it at a certain distance that it will just if it is your camera is coming in the between the plan, then you have to just select the camera and move it away from the plant like this so that it will cover all the sides like that. So make sure you just select the camera and just move it away from the plant. All the four cameras at particular location, just drag it and move it little away like that. So after importing this CAD file, the next important thing that we have to do is we have to add levels, particular levels. Like for that, we have to go to elevations. So just click on any one elevations like this. And now we have to set elevations like this one as a ground floor and then plinth floor. Let's rename it as a ground floor and then change the value here as 450. So again, I think we didn't change the units. Important thing is we have to change the units. Change this to meters, decimals, two decimal places, and click OK. click OK. So always make sure you have, if your cat file is meters, this also should be in meters. Now we have already know how to edit these levels. So just we have to select this. Now as this is overlapping, we have to just click this and we can just click on this elbows and just move it like this. So same thing here also. You have to just select this and click in the elbow so that you won't get confused. And here just type it as plinth level. So now we have created a ground floor level and plinth level. And now we should know the method how to create these final models. So I'll just show you one example using plain lines. So let's move to ground floor plan. And now I'll just show you. So till now we have just roughly worked on these 3D models. Like we have created walls like this. Just we created walls randomly at certain height, and then floor slabs we just created like this. Floor slabs or roof slab we just created like this. So this is our wall, and our floor will be like this. So this will be our floor, and then from floor we have created our walls, and the roof slab or first floor slab will be like this, where it will be overlapping with the wall. So this is just for making 3D as a rough. In rough case, we can just make 3D like this. But if we are doing a final model, this is not a proper method. So there should be no overlapping. That is the main thing. This wall and this floor slab should not overlap with each other, or else there will be a glitch kind of thing in the 3D model. So this is not a proper method to create a final model. This is just a rough method to create a 3D model. So now the proper method is, first we have to create a floor like this, and then, so again I just select on this. First we have to create a floor like this. After creating a floor, we have to create walls. We can just, for example, we can just create a walls like this. So after creating wall, the next method is to create a floor slab or a roof slab. We have to create it like this. It should be like this: floor separate, wall separate, and then another floor slab should be separate. But here you will be seeing this slab project, just this slab thickness on the elevation as well. But if you don't want to see this slab in the elevation, if you just want to view this wall continuing to the first floor, then there is another method. For that, you have to just first create a floor like this. First, we have to just create a floor like this, and then we have to create a wall like this, including first floor walls, and then we have to create wall. So like this, we have to create a wall. And now to just not show this slab thing in the elevation, we can just draw a slab at between these walls like this. So your first floor slab will be like that, and your terrace floor slab will be appearing like this. So now this is also a correct method. Floor will be like this, the ground floor will be like this, and then you will start a wall which will continue till the first floor top. And if you just want to provide a roof slab and first floor slab, you can just provide that between these walls so that in elevation, it will just, a wall will be up here and there will be no overlapping or a glitch kind of thing. Your floor slab will be in between the walls. This is one method and this is one method. Here you are creating a floor slab and then walls and again floor slab Here in elevation, you will see this floor slab band running across the whole floor. So this is also a correct method. This is also a correct method. In these two, you can just choose any one. So now we'll see this method, like floor, walls, and then complete floor. So this method will take now. So we'll just use this method for now. So this method is also correct. If you want, we can proceed with this method also. But for now, we'll in this class we will select this method. So now just let's delete all these things and go to elevation. And now let's create a level. So to create a level, just click on level and just click on pick line, set an offset. So from plinth level to first floor base will be around 3000, sorry, 3 meters. Just give 3 meters like this. So first we have to create levels like this. So after creating levels like this for ground floor and then after that plinth and then first floor base, first floor top, terrace base, terrace top. After creating like this, now we have to move to plan. So just come to ground floor plan and now we have to draw a floor for the ground floor. Either we can just go to ground floor plan or else we can go to plinth level. So on any one level, we can just draw a floor plan. So first we will just draw floor plan. I mean just floorings on the ground floor. So just to create a flooring, we have to click on floors, select architecture floor, and here we have to just select a flooring thing and go to edit type, duplicate this and change this to 450, click OK, and in edit structure, just change this to 428 and just click OK. After that, again click OK. So now we have to use this line and make the flooring, or else we can just click on pick line and then just select, just pick lines at particular places like this. And then later we can just fillet those things. Let's first select these lines, and after just selecting all sides, now we can just use this fillet command and click here and just fillet all these things like this. Select this and this one. Again, select this and this one. So when we just fillet, a hidden line, extended line will be shown. So now uh, if we just select this one and then click on this one, so here there will be an extended line will be shown, which will do the fillet part. So after just creating a boundary like this, now we have to give a green color tick here. Now in this way we have created a floor. If we just go to 3D view, we can see we have created a floor. So just move to this elevation. Here we can see the floor is coming below this ground floor, but we want this floor to move just below this plinth level. So for that, we can just click on this floor and then here in constraints, we can just change this to plinth level. So like this, we can just move it like this, or else we can just, another way is we can just give a height offset from here, like 0.45. Click enter. And now again, we can just moving this, give a height offset as 0.45 from the ground floor. So this way is also correct. That way is also correct. So it's up to you which way you want to do. So now you can see we have created a flooring. And the next thing is we have to create a walls. So to create walls, we have to open a plinth level. So from plinth level only, get, we can just draw a walls. Sometimes you won't be able to see this. So for that, if you have to go to underlay, in underlay in properties, when you come to plinth level, go to properties. In properties, you will have an option called underlay. So in underlay, if this is selected as none, you won't be able to see anything here. So by default, it will be like this. Range base level will be as none. Here you have to change this. You have to change this. So below this plinth level, whatever the level is there, that thing you have to select. So below this plinth level, we have ground floor level. So here we have to select on ground floor, and then only we will be able to view this. So after this, now we can just create a wall. So to create a wall, just we have to go to this walls and select architectural wall. And now in CAD plan, we should know that what thickness of wall that we have given. So I have given 230 by 115. For outer walls, I have given 230 mm. For inner walls, I have given 115 mm. So here I will go to properties and then select this basic wall 215. Go to edit type, duplicate this and change this to 230. Click OK. And again go to edit structure, and here I have to just again change this to 230 and click OK. Again click OK, and now I can just using this either finish face exterior or interior, I can just create a wall. I'll just select a finish face exterior, and then I will click on quick line, and then I'll just create a wall easily like this. So I'll just create walls like this. So you can just keep on creating walls like this. So, but here we need an open space at here. So for that, just select this wall. First, delete this wall. We have created extra thing. Now just select this wall and just move it like this. So in this way, we can just create an open space over here. So the wall comes till here only and it stops till here. So here there is no wall. So like this, we can create an outer wall. Now to create an inner wall, again go to walls, select wall architecture, and then click on edit type. Again make it as duplicate. Here, just type it 115. Click OK, and then in structure, change this to 115 and just click OK. Click OK. And now to create inner walls, I will just select finish face interior, and then randomly I will just create inner walls. So I have to click on pick line, and then I have to just select these walls like this and keep on creating all the walls. So here alone we have to provide this 230 mm wall. So just click on 230 mm wall and click it like this. So after that we have to just fillet this. So For that, just click on wall and just select this fillet option and just give it like this. So easily we can just fill it. So select this wall. This wall should come till this end. So extend it like this and then use this fillet command like this. So like this, we can just fillet all the things. So select this and make it as a fillet. Now we have to extend this till the end. So you can just move it like this. And also here also we have to give a fillet. Select this and make it as a fillet. Select this and again make it as a fillet. For this we have to just move it till the end like this. So in this way we have just created a wall and now go to 3D. Now you can see we have just made a wall like this. So we have to select this wall, give a right click, select all instances visible in view, and again press Ctrl, give a right click, select all instances in visible in view. And now we have to change the level constraints. So go to level constraints. Here location line will vary and base constraint is length level. It should be same. But top constraint we should just change this to first floor base. So we have to just click on first floor base. And now if you just move to 3D, now you can see like this, we have just created a wall. So we have also given a base constraint, level 1, first floor base constraint. Up to first floor base constraint, we have projected this wall. So after this, we have to create a first floor roof. So I mean, a first floor slab that we have to create. So for that, we have to move to first floor base. We have to move to first floor base level, and here we are seeing nothing. So here we have to import the first floor plan. For that, we have to again go to architecture, insert, go to insert after that, and here if you have to click on import CAD file, and then select first floor, click meters here, click manual center, and just you have to make sure here you have to select level first floor base and click OK. Now you can just place it like this. Approximately you can just place it at center, and now you have to first thing that you have to do is you have to draw a floor. For that again go to architecture, click on floor architecture, and then here just we have to go to edit type. We have to first make it as duplicate, and then we have to change this to 150. So our slab thickness will be 150 and click OK. Then again change this. Here we have to just make this as 128 and just click OK. And again click OK. So now we have to again pick line. Using pick line method, we have to just create a first floor slab like this. After that, we have to do a fillet thing. So first we have to select this all, and then we have to just click on fillet, select this and click here. Again select this and click here. After this again select this, fillet it like this, select this and fillet it, select this, fillet this thing, again select this, you can just fillet this thing. So now we have just drawn a profile all over the first floor, and here a staircase will be coming. So here we have to draw another profile to create a hollow. So profile, so we know that there in the profile, inside a profile we'll create a hollow. So we have created one profile over here, and inside that we have created another profile which will create a hollow. So like this we have to do it, and now just press escape two times, and then just we have to give a green color tick over here. So here just click attach. So or if the thing is showing error in attach, you can just click on detach so that it won't attach in the wall. Now you can see we have created this floor separately. Now go to 3D. Here we can see it is slightly moved. So we have to just select this floor plan, press control and select this. And now we have to just move this exactly at the edge. So click on move, move at this corner edge, and again click on move. So just move this at particular edge. So just move this to the corner edge. Just place it properly at this edge, and then move this floor alone. Just select this floor alone, and then in constraints, you can just change this to, or else you can just give a offset, height offset to 0.15, like this. So like this, we can just do and complete these things. So I think we have placed it in a wrong place. We have to select this both file, and then we have to move this to this edge, like this. Now I think it is proper. Yes. So you have to select this slab in the first floor level. In 3D view, just select this slab and the CAD plan, and then just move this to the corner edge. And after that, only just select this slab alone, and then in constraints, set the level wherever that you want to place the first floor slab. So just till here, just try this out, guys. So till here, just try this out, guys. Just import a CAD file. If you have any your own CAD file, you can just import it from there. Either it might be very simple CAD file of residence, like having just ground floor and first floor, or even second floor. So just till here, just try this out, guys. After a few minutes, we'll continue and complete all the model. So till here, just try this out, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now let's continue with the class. So now first we'll just do the same thing for the first floor as well. So let's move to first floor top, and now we are not able to see the plan. So if you go to first floor place, still we are not able to see the plan. So just go to first floor top, and here in underlay you have to just in properties you have to come to underlay, and here you have to just go to range base level. So just select first floor base. So, so below the first floor base, we have this first floor CAD plan. So because of that, when you go to first floor top, if the plan is not visible, then you have to go to properties in underlays. You have to select the lower level of this present level, in which you have plans below that. So, like in ground floor, below the ground floor, we have this AutoCAD plan. So if we have going to work in plinth level, then in underlay, in properties underlay, we have to select here as ground floor, because below the ground floor we have a CAD file that will be visible on this plinth level. Likewise, below this first floor base, we have a CAD file, and now we are going to work on first floor top. So to view this CAD file, we have to just select in range base level the lower level of this first floor top. So that is first floor base. So like this, we can just view this CAD plan. And now what we have to do is just we have to pick this line and just draw a wall. So just go to architecture and click here architecture wall. And first we have to select exterior wall. Here we have to click on pick lines. Then finish face exterior or interior, anything will be fine. Here we have to just select these walls like this. And then we have to do a fillet thing at later. So just pick the walls which needs to be outer walls, like the walls which has 230 mm. So pick that walls alone like this, and then we'll just continue it in later. So here we don't need this wall. So we already have this one. And now just change this to 115 mm. Select this one, and now wherever we have 115 mm wall, we'll just create that like this. Only outer walls. So here we have 115 mm wall. Here also, and here also. So like this we have to create. And in between we are getting these walls. Just keep on adding it like this. But if you are just want to do an exterior modeling, if you are just focusing on exterior modeling, then we don't need to add these interior walls. We can just add the outer walls alone. If we are also want a interior model also, then we have to do this if we are going to take interior views as well. So anyways, in Revit, we have to do all the walls. It's not like SketchUp or 3ds Max, because in 3ds Max, if you're just focusing on exterior, you can just create exterior walls and take exterior shot. In If you are just want to take interior, then you can just create interior room, and then you can take interior view shots. But in Revit, it's like we are creating everything. So when you just go to section or elevation, you can just preview everything. So for that, we have to create all the walls at the same time. So if you just want to see a section of this file, then it will be easy if you just create interior walls as well. So let's create it. And after just creating this wall, now the next thing that we have to do is fillet thing. So just click on this option, this icon, just click on this trim extend to corner, and now just fillet all the things. like this. Keep adding things like this. And select these two and select this, fill it in like this. So now we have just completed the walls for the first floor. So now just move to the 3D, and here you can just see this thing. So again go to the first floor top level, select the wall and give a right click and just okay, come out of this trim and extend command first of all. Press escape and now select this wall, give a right click and then select all instances visible in view. And then press Ctrl and select this, give a right click, select all instances visible in the view. Select all this thing like this and go to 3D view. Now we have selected all the walls in the first floor. And now first we have to change the top level constraint of this thing. So go to properties. Base constraint is first floor top and top constraint is unconnected. Change this to terrace floor base. So like this, first we have to change this. And after that, now let's copy this first floor slab and then place this at align selection to selected levels. Just place it at terrace base and click OK. So like this, we can just place that. To view that everything is proper, just go to elevation. Here we have created the floor, same floor level here also. And now we'll just add one more levels here. That is headroom level. So just click on levels and click on pick lines. Here give an offset around 2700 something like that. So headroom that much offset is enough. Okay. We have to just type it is in meters. So we should just type it as level 2.7. 2.7. Here just click on pick line and now just select it like this. And then select this, just delete this. Once you create a level, after that you have to press escape 2 times so that it will come out of that command. And now just select this and type it as headroom base. Headroom, headroom top. Just make it as headroom level like this. Click yes. That's all. So after creating this level, let's go to first floor top or else just click on here terrace top. So now we'll just create headroom wall over here. So go to walls, click wall architecture and here select 230 wall and then click on pick line and just let's make it like this. That's all. We have created a headroom. So if we want, we can just press escape and we can just move this wall at some distance like this so that there will be a something landing space after the stairs end. We'll get some landing space over here. So now select these all four wall and go to 3D and change the top constraint to headroom level like this. So after this, we have to create parapet wall also in this, and we have to create a roof. So now go to terrace top, and here first we'll create a parapet wall. So just click on 115 wall. Go to wall architecture first. Select wall architecture. Here we have to select 115 wall, and then uh, let's click on pick line. After clicking on pick line, change this wall height like 1000. Just one. Let it be 1 meter. It should be not in thousand. This is in meters, so just change it to one, and then click like this. Just keep on adding parapet wall like this. So here the overlapping is happening. So here alone we can just draw it. You have to just draw it like this. So like in this space alone, we can just use a draw option. We can just sketch the walls instead of pick line. So now if you just go to 3D, we can see we have just made a parapet wall also. And now we have to go to the site plan to add the roof. So just click on site plan, and now we have to just add a headroom top. So that is the roof thing. So here in roof, just click on roof by footprint, and then here select the topmost level, which is the headroom level. Headroom level is the most topmost level. Click on headroom level and click yes. And now we have to, using pick line method, we can just set an offset around 300 something offset, and then, sorry, just give a point 0.3. You should be very careful in just setting these values when you have changed this to meters. So like this, the headroom floor will be, and here we can just draw it using this tool. So just change the to 0 and pick the line like this. And after this, we have to do this trim and extend thing. So select this and click it here. Then again select this, make click here. And after this, we have to select all these lines, and we have to just uncheck this define slopes so that we can create a flat roof. If the define slope is there, then it will be like a hip roof. So just uncheck this define slopes and then just give a green tick like this. And now once you come to 3D, change the thickness of this roof to roof generic 125 like this. So in this way, we can just create a headroom, all the things, basic modeling we have completed. So now we have just completed a basic modeling. The next thing that we have to do is we have to place doors and windows. So just move to plinth level first, and here we'll place doors and windows. So click on doors. Here, either you can select it from here, or else you can go to load family, and there also we can just select doors. So click on doors. We have internal doors. First, let's place a main door. So click on external doors. These all are double door. So external single door starts from here. So we'll select this door and click open. Now we have to select any option like this and just place this as main door. Place it here. After that, press escape and click this and switch this. Just flip this like this. Like this, we have to keep on adding many doors, all internal doors and everything. So again, click on doors, click on load family, just move back, click on internal doors. Here, just make sure which kind of door you want. We want single door, so interior single door. So we'll use this one, plain door. So click open and select the size, let 900 by this thing. So here we have to just place it like this. Keep on placing your doors wherever the door is going to come. Just keep on adding doors like this. Here you can also change the size to 800. So I'll just change the size to 800. I'll select this one and place it like this. So still we need to reduce the size of this door. So for that, just click this door and delete this. And we can, for this kind of places, we can just duplicate the door and just go to doors and select this door and duplicate this. Go to edit type, duplicate this and change the size like 710 and click OK. Click OK. And here in the size dimensions, there will be a width, rough width. You have to change this to zero point 0.7 like this. And then click OK. So now we can just place doors like this. So like this, we can just keep on placing the doors. So after placing doors, we have to just switch these things properly like this. And after this, let's move to first floor top and let's add doors here also. So now again, click on doors. First, we will select this 910 mm and place it at places like this. So like this, keep on adding doors. So here we have to select another door, which is 800 mm, and place it like this. So that's all, guys. After placing all the doors, we have to just switch these places accordingly. So the next thing what we have to do is we have to add the windows. So that let's go to plinth level again. And now we will just load windows. So here again go to load family, come back, come back, and then we have windows over here. So just select any windows that you want to place. So we just select this one, double plane. So click on open. So in here we have several sizes. Let's select this size 1300 by 1200, and let's start placing in certain places like this. So we have another size which is 1800. So that will place for larger windows like this. Select this one and keep placing like this. We can, if you just want to the exact size, then you can just go to edit type and duplicate it and change the size, what the exact size that you want, so that you can place it there. So let's place it like this. So after placing windows, we'll move to first floor top and place the windows again in this floor as well. So select this window, place it here, and then place one window over here and change the size to 1300 or else 900. And like this, we can also place two windows certain places. So like this, we have to just place the windows. Now we also have to place the ventilations. In some part, we have forgot to load the ventilations. So for that, we can just go to load family and then let's see ventilations thing is there or not. So ventilation is not there. So just click on Windows. Here itself we'll find is there any ventilations. So here we have double ventilation. So we'll use this one, double ventilation. Just click on this double ventilation and click open. And there in sizes, we have 900 by 900. Just select that size and place it wherever the toilets that you have. Just place it at the toilets that we have. Go to next level and again place it at the particular toilets like this. So that's all guys. Now press escape and just move to 3D. Now we can see we have added ventilations, windows, doors and everything. So after this we will just move to this plinth level and we'll add a staircase. So for staircase we have to either we can use sketch staircase or else just click on this staircase. So here we can see either we can use this sketch staircase or we can use this window staircase or also we can just use this straight staircase. This time we'll just select this straight staircase, and in straight staircase here you have to see the width is 1 meter offset is nothing. Here the location line is left. So first let's see by creating it as a center and then draw a stairs. Just click it and move it like this and stop it here. And then we have to draw it, continue it here. So stop it here. So press Ctrl Z, and now we have to change this from center to left. Let's change this from center to left, and now let's draft it like this. And from here, we'll draft it like this. And again, from here, we'll try to draft it like this. So as we can see, we have drawn a staircase like this. And after that, we can just give a green color tick here. So in this way, just select this and try to adjust this using keyboard arrows like this. That's all. So now you can see we have made a Revit staircase. So in AutoCAD, we have drawn something different, but in Revit, we have just made a staircase perfectly. Comfortably, we have just made a staircase just running in this U shape. So like this, we have to just make staircase for inside guys. And now select this staircase and then just copy this, paste it to align to selected levels. And then here you have to select first floor top. So it will just go and place it in the first floor top and click OK. As you can see here, now the next staircase is starting base level is first floor top, and the top level will be a terrace floor base. So like this, we can just make a staircase. When you just go to 3D, and in 3D, if you just want to view the staircase, you can just in properties, here you have extents. Yes, there you have to just click on this section box. Once you click on this section box, select this section box and move it like this. You have to just move it like this. And here we can just see our staircase have been created. So when you just come here, we can see our staircase has been created. So these railings we can just delete. We can just keep the center railings and we can just delete this outer railings like this. Just delete this outer railing and only keep the center railings. So now you can see we have created a staircase like this. We can also change the model of this staircase. Press Ctrl like this. And here in properties, you can just change this to commercial steel. So it will look like this, or else you can change this to residential. So it will look like this. Now you can see it is looking something different. So again, press Ctrl and select this. And in properties, you can change this to in situ concrete. So now when you just so this is not working. So cancel this and select this hotels option that we have precast staircase. So you can see precast staircase is looking in this way. So we can also keep that kind of staircase. For that we have to go in settings and we have to change it properly. So let's select the precast staircase. So like this, we have to create a staircase text. And now just delete this or just uncheck this section box. So, and after this, we'll just add steps over here. So for this, we can just use this sketch staircase. So let's again go to plinth level and here click on stairs. So before just setting this, going to the sketch, we have to set the level. So here it is from ground floor level to plinth level. So this is ground floor and this is plinth level. So we are just moving from ground floor to plinth level. So just here change this to plinth level. And now using this sketch tool, we can start creating. Now just click on fifth line and set an offset around 1.2, enter, and then just offset this so we can get one more line here. And now using a riser, we can just create a steps like this. So after creating this, press escape and click on this green color tick. So now when you just move to 3D, here you can see we are getting this one. So let's delete this thing. So we don't need this support band. Just delete this and then give the again we have to give a green color tick over there. So like this we can add. No, we can just delete this site window and we can also change the type of the steps. Just select this staircase and go to properties. We can change this to precast staircase like this. Railings also we can just go in here and click on this glass railing. So different types of railings we can just create. So let it be like this. So so guys, after this we can just focus on this elevation projections. So how to just create some elevation things like creating sunshade, creating some projections, that kind of thing. So for that we have to go to component. So in component we can use this extrusion and everything. So just go to architecture and in component we can just create select this modeling place. Here if we just want to create sunshade projections for window, then just click on windows like this and click OK. So if you want to rename, you can rename it. I will just click on OK. And after that, here I will just first I will change the work plane. So just go to set work plane and here I will click on pick a plane, click OK. I select this surface like this. Now when I just click on show, so my work plane is now at this side. So let off that. Now I'm using extrusion. I'll just create a random projections. So I'll click on rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle like this till here. And then I'll use this pick option and click on offset like 0.2, enter. And then I just want to offset this line. So like this, we can just offset these lines. So now you have two rectangles, outer rectangle and inner rectangle. So rectangle inside a rectangle will create a hollow thing over here. Just it will create a hollow thing for this window. I'll just give an green tick here, and now you can see like this. I have created something projection. So here I will just type it as point 0.6. So now it looks like a projection kind of thing. Or else I will just select this and change this projection to 0.45 like this. So like this, I can just create projections on the windows. Here, if I just want to create a random projection, so here also let's change the After creating this, we have to click on finish again to come out of this extrusion. If you just want to create another same component in the same components, if you just want to create here also, then click on create, and here click on set work plane. Just click on pick a plane, click OK. And now this time select on this wall surface like this. When you click on show, now our surface is on this side. And now let's start working on this side. If you just want to create a sunshade for this, you can just, that also you can just do it using this line tool. So click on this line tool like this and complete it like this. And after that, just give a green color tip like this and make it as 0.45. Here you can just project it some randomly like this. So like this, we can just create a projections. So using extrusion, we can just create projections like this, and we have to create same thing over here also. So let's create another thing. Then we have to just give a green color tick over here. So after all this, just we can just click on finish model to come out of this completely. So let's click on finish model. So now we have created projections randomly like this. So if we just want to do another projections like running sweep kind of thing, then again we have to go to architecture, click on component, model in place. This time we'll select walls like this and click OK. Click OK. Now this time if we just want to click on sweep, we don't need to select a surface. We just don't need to set a work plane. Just we can click on sweep. Once we click on sweep, we have to now pick a path. So in 3D, now we don't need to sketch a path. We just need to pick a path. So click on, already there are the paths in 3D. We need to pick that. So just click on pick a path, and then now just keep picking this path like this. So after we have done this, I use this fillet to fillet the last line like this. So now we have to just draw a profile. So here we have to draw a profile. So to draw a profile, after picking these edges, we have to just click on this green color key. And now we have to just draw a profile. So just click on edit profile. Now in edit profile, we have to just draw the profile, whatever that we want. So I would like to draw a profile like a channel kind of thing. Bring it like this. And now just close it. So after that, closing this profile, Press escape two times and just click on OK. And again, we have to just click on two times. We have to just click on this green color tick. So now you can see a band is running across this elevation. Across this whole 3D, we are running a band. And first we'll come out of this component. So finish this and now select this component. Just select this component and now in project file, you can click on copy and paste this to assign to level. And here you can just click on first floor base. Click OK. So select this. So here we have to offset this, like it should be just -6. So it is coming over here. Then just type it as zero point 0.3, zero point 0.6. So -6.6. So we have just like this, we have to adjust this position in the properties using these constraints. So after doing this projection kind of things, we can also create a cornice on this parapet wall. So for that, again, we have to create a component. Go to architecture, click on component, place in model. Again, here select walls, click OK, OK. And now again, we have to use this tree. Click on pick a path. Just keep on adding this path. After that, we have to do this filletting. So that's all, guys. After this, just we have to click on green tick and then click on edit profile. Here we have to just draw a profile. And after that, just give a tick and again give a tick. So like this, we have just made a profile for this parapet. So after this, we have to create a railings over balcony component. So select finish model. Just click on save project if you want. And then now just move to this first floor top. Now we have to draw railings over there. So before drawing a railings, we have to create a small wall, like a 300 wall. So for that, just click on architecture, just select architecture wall, and let's select this small thin wall and make the height like zero point 0.3. And now let's draw it. Let's draw it like this. So let's see it in the 3D. Here you can see we have just made it as a 300 wall in for openings. So again, click on this first floor top, and here we'll again create a wall. So click on wall architecture and let it be the settings be like this itself, and just draw it like this from this side. Press escape now, and now just move to 3D. Here we can see we have created a 300 wall, mini wall. So after creating this 300 mini wall, now we'll place a railing. So again, just go to top, first floor top, and here click on the railing. So in railing, we have to click on sketch path. So here we'll just make an offset like zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.5, and then just click on pick line. Or else we can also keep it as zero. Directly we can just draw it using this midline like this. You can draw it like this and just give a green color tick here. So now when you just go to 3D, you can see we have made a balcony railing like this. So select this and make a base offset 0.3. So now it is properly at 0.3 level. We have to do the same thing over here also. So again go to first floor down, go to architecture, click on the railing, sketch railing, and here we have to just draw it. Just we have to just draw this path. We have to create a path of this railing and then give a green color tick over here. When you just move to 3D, we can see we have placed this, and now in base offset we have just give this 0.3 like this. And then later we can just change this to glass like this. Select this and change in properties. You can change this to glass like this. Now we'll see how to apply materials to this model. So now we'll see how to apply materials to this model. So we have seen one method is like we have to select this wall and then go to edit type. In edit type, we'll go to the structure edit and then we'll just apply materials for the above and internal layer and outer layer. So that is one method. But now we'll see one easy method, alternate method to uh, apply materials. So when you create models like this, just using a simple wall structure. So to directly apply materials on this surface, so we have one another easy method. So for that we have to go to manage. Here we have to manage. In manage, first thing that we will here see is materials. So click on materials. When you click on materials, first you have to create a new material. Just click on here, create new material, and then rename it. Just give a right click and rename this. Just click like wall paint like this. And then to select a material, open an asset browser and here type paint. Here in paint we have a wall paint. So from wall paint we can select any paint here, or else with normal paint also we have several options. So we'll just select this wall paint from here. In this appearance we have wall paint here, and here we have beach option. So just give a double click on beach, and in appearance the beach is looking like this. So use the render settings, turn on this thing. So now we are getting an option. So now we are previewing this material color. So let it be like this and click OK. So after clicking OK, now to apply that material on the wall, we have to go to modify. So in modify, in the geometry tab, we have this option paint. So here we have to just select on the paint and this material will be open. This material browser will be open. Here we have to select this material like this. After selecting material, just we have to apply this on the wall like this. Very easily. Just we have to select the surface. Just move your cursor like this. When you are selecting the surface, just click like this. So in this way, we can just start applying materials very easily. So keep applying like this. So like this, we can just apply materials on the wall surface easily, guys. Now, if you just want to apply materials to these components, you cannot directly apply materials like this. So for components alone, for the sunshade and everything, for components alone, if you just want to apply materials, you cannot apply directly. For that, you have to select this component and click on edit in place. So once you go to edit in place, then again select this component. And here in properties, you will have a materials and finishes. Here you have to click on this three dot and here just type any materials like metal or something. From here you can just click on any metal finishes and click OK. So like this, we can just apply materials to these components. I just select finish, just click on finish mode and then again select this component, click on edit place, select this, click on this material tab like this and click OK. Select this iron metal finish, click OK and click on finish mode. So now if you just want to apply to these components, again select these components, click edit mode and then select these each components, press Ctrl and select it like this. And here we have a material option in properties. Click here, select paint. So here we'll just select a plain gypsum wallboard or a plain white lightning like this. And here in tint, we'll change the color. So let it be like this. And now just click on OK. So you will get this kind of color. So after that, now we'll see how to import any texture image and then apply that as a material. So till now we just saw to apply materials from this asset browser and material browser. So if you just want to import some materials, material textures from your Google, you can just download any texture that you want. You can download it from Google and then you can just import that texture image and apply that material on this surface. So now at this place, I just want to give a wooden texture. So for that, after applying this material, just click on finish model. And now just to give here a different texture, I'll again go to manage and click on this material. Here I will just click on create new material and rename this, give a right click and just rename this as wood texture. Wood texture like this. Just rename it like wood texture. And after that, just go to appearance. And in appearance, you can see here in image, it is showing white color. It is showing blank. Whenever you just create a new material, it will show you like this. Now, if you in appearance, just if you just click on this image, a folder will open like this. So now I have some wooden texture downloaded here. So I'll just click on this wooden texture and click OK. Just I will click on open. Now I can see a wooden texture has been applied here and then I will just click on OK here from here and then again I have to go to modify. Here I have to select this string. Now I have to select this wood texture. So after that I will just move my mouse cursor and just select this surface and apply it like this. So I'll just press escape now. Again, I will just move to this manage, click on material and go to graphic and just click here to use render appearance and just click OK. So when I just change this to realistic, now I can see the textures over here. So I need to scale this texture. So to scale this texture, again I have to go to materials. In materials, I have to select this texture, wood texture, and in appearance, I have to select this image. Now I can just scale this however I want. When I just come at down here in scale option, I can just scale this to 1. I'll just type it as 1 and then I will just type it as done here. Just select done and then click OK. So like this, I have applied a wooden texture on the wall. So like this, you can also import any texture and apply it. Whatever texture that you want, you can download that texture and in going in materials, create a new material. Just you have to create a new material and then in appearance, you have to click on the, there will be a white image which will be showing as blank. When you click on that image, automatically a folder will be open. From there, you have to select a texture image and then you have to open it and apply it easily on this surfaces. So in modify, you'll have this paint option. So after clicking this, you will get a material browser over here. From here, you have to select any material and just you have to apply it on the model. So that's all for this class, guys. So just till here, just try this uh, of everything. So just try to make this both ground floor and first floor and finish it however you want. Like uh, for elevation projections, if you just want to create any random thing. So till now, whatever that we learned in the previous classes using this extrusion, sweep, or whatever that you have learned, you can just use those things and modify the elevations however you want. So that's all for this class, guys. Just try to create a 3D home like this. So after that, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you, guys.